Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Adria and today we will be massaging in a different way. This massage is a Japanese facial massage and is a sustainable pressure through your fingertips or palm applied on your face. Let's start with forehead. Starting from the third eye between the eyebrows, gently press 3 points towards the hairline with your middle finger supported by the index and ring fingers, and by the other hand press as you exhale. Our face is a very delicate area, so press gently but with enough pressure that feels good. Whenever you are using your middle finger, remember to support it by the index and ring fingers. Starting from the inner upper corner of the eye socket, gently press 4 points on the upper eye socket with your middle finger on both sides. Press as you exhale. Helps to improve circulation, revitalization, and tones your facial skin as you don't have to rub or glide like usual massages using lubricant. Now press 4 points on the lower eye socket. Starting the inner lower corner of the eye socket, these eye points are very good for tired eyes. Starting from the depression next to the outer corner of your eyes, press 3 points on the temples with your middle fingers on both sides. Gently press the eyes with your palms for 10 counts as you breathe deeply. To generate more energy, rub your hands before you apply your palm. We usually do it during our yoga sessions. Highly beneficial and calming effect on your eyes. Put your middle finger on the nail of your index finger and press 3 points around the nose, starting from below the inner corner of the eyes on both sides. The next prominence of the nose and next to the nostrils. You can do it anytime throughout the day whenever you want to rejuvenate your face, even when you are wearing makeup on your face. Press the 3 points on cheekbone simultaneously with your index, middle and ring fingertip on both sides. Gently press upwards and into the cheekbone. Press 3 points between the nose and mouth with middle fingers on both sides as you exhale. Press the points on your chin with middle fingers on both sides as you exhale. Press 3 points next to the corners of your mouth with middle fingers on both sides as you exhale. Once you learn the points, practicing it consistently, it is more relaxing to do this with your eyes closed. Until then, do it with me looking into the mirror. Save the video for later and practice daily. If you find it interesting, do like, share and subscribe with your friends and family. Keep pampering and I'll see you soon.